Yep, it's got the red light at the back flashing.
Yeah, yeah.
Alright, here we go, here we go. Here's James doing a Happy Gilmore on Palmer's beautiful course. Oh, here we go! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh no! Oh dear, this is not good. Oh no! Stop the filming, please.